Hi. So I just wanted to take a moment to address the glitches, so to speak, with the avatar. The movements are a little off. She can't really bring her hands together. See, I mean, this isn't even that close, and she drops her other arm. So you can't really see prayer pose. Her fingers, they'll bend, but they don't really touch. So it can be confusing if you're watching versus listening to what I'm saying and then the avatar is not actually doing what I'm saying. So I realize it can be a little confusing. So I am adapting the meditations to fit more within the parameters that I'm working with right now. I can't really do anything about how her arm moves kind of weird sometimes. I'm not even really sure how she does that, but I just kind of wanted to point out that I am aware that there are limitations with the avatar as it applies to meditation. I don't know of any other VTuber that is using an avatar for meditative practices. So I feel like there's a pretty large learning curve here as far as getting her movements to match the movements that I'm actually applying. I don't know how much there's available right now as far as being able to get her hands to come together. I don't know if that would just be, if a suit is the only way to actually get the tracking to be that precise right now, or if it's just an app, if it's, an extension on a browser. I'm not really sure right now. I am actively looking for solutions to help make her a little bit smoother with the movements and that her hand doesn't bend so weird like that. I'm not even sure how she does that half the time. So I just wanted to call it out now and say I am aware that there are limitations to what she can do. So for right now, I'm adapting the meditations to fit within the parameters that we actually have. So if you have any suggestions or you know of any extensions that will help with that, please feel free to drop them in the comments. Um, Otherwise, I'm just going to keep working on making her a little bit smoother with, yeah, see, like that arm movement. I don't even know how that happens. So just calling out, I am aware and I am actively working on solutions to make her movements smoother so you can actually see what I'm doing for the meditations. But I did think it was a cool idea to do a VTuber meditative channel. So I will keep working on that. And in the meantime, we'll keep posting videos with the adapted meditations to fit her parameters. So I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you soon.